Done for You program has been a hot shot in the internet world, which it has become a viral term, a marketing term for people to advertise. So whenever you're surfing in the internet, you will see some sort of advertisement promoting a particular Done for You program or cash machine or whatever the fancy terms are. The main thing they will tell you is that you don't have to do anything at all to generate thousands of dollars as your passive income. Well, the real fact is that these programs are not scam and they literally do everything for you, where you just have to buy traffic only, as simple as that. So what do you mean by buy traffic? I'm going to explain on the scope in a DFY program, business portal, which stands for Done for You program. So these are the scope which you need to do. So this is you with the hailer, so you're ready to promote, and you're going to need to buy email solo ads or email solo advertisement. So you might need to take one of the email swipes which is prepared by the DFY program and put in the embedded link. So you can use this as your swipe to buy the number of clicks onto this link in a solo ads platform. So don't worry about it. In later tutorial I will demonstrate to you on how to buy solo ads. So once the email readers read the swipe and they click on the link, so they will be directed to a squeeze page where they might need to submit their email addresses in exchange with a lead magnet in that page. So lead magnet could be a small blueprint or template or any useful stuff that can attract these email readers to give out their email addresses as to subscribe to this DFY program. So you can see that DFY program has done two things for you. So once the email readers give out their email addresses and subscribe, they have become the subscribers of this program. So from time to time, the DFY program will follow up with them through emails. It will send out educational emails to them as to build a good relationship with them. So once in a while, it will send out an email to promote a certain digital product which is owned by the DFY program. So when these subscribers are interested and they bought the product, you have generate sales. So for every sales there is a certain percentage of commission which will go into your pocket. So we call it affiliate commissions, that you are an affiliate of this DFY program. So this is how the DFY program can generate passive income for you. So you don't have to do any of this thing, nothing at all. Just have to spend some monies on traffic, just log into the DFY program and just wait for the commissions to come in. So it's pretty simple if you want to buy the DFY program to generate passive income for you. So it may sound like a good deal, and for the real fact is that these programs really do make monies for you, but the problem is it's not in a sustainable term. So one of the biggest problem in a DFY program is that those subscribers or leads that it has captured for you. So these subscribers, they don't recognize you, they don't know who you are. All they know is the DFY program has been doing all the works for them. So they are not your leads. So when you try to email these subscribers under your name, they don't even bother to open it because they don't know who you are. So that's why I want you guys to understand how DFY program works, and I want to teach you guys how to build your own DFY program with do-it-yourself guideline in this course. So in the later tutorial, I'm going to show you the actual DFY program, a Done for You program which I've bought a few years ago, and I'm going to demonstrate on how it works. So I'll see you in the next lecture.